one little addendum to the whole thing, gotta throw in those PS's and yada 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 yada. And so while I'm hammering in a little after dinner nail, my ceiling by the way, it's kind of like, it seems like there's a lot of people out there that really seem to want to date me. But, well, now you've kind of seen the sort of thing I cook. You know, like they say some of the food I cook so hot if you have an ulcer it'll cauterize the ulcer. Okay, if you want to be dating me, you will be required to eat my cooking. Usually 3 or 4 times a day, you will be eating my cooking. And I am not going to make special mild versions of it for you. And you will be required to listen to me singing while I am cooking and doing various other stupidities. You know, if do you think I can be annoying? Well, you're going to be listening to me about every waking moment. Now you realize that, right? You're going to listen to me singing, talking to myself, you know, cooking, then I'm finishing up on an Android app. Got a cool little thing. I don't think I'm going to distribute it, just keep it for my own personal use. Periodically vibrates the time in binary. Like, cool. Who needs the phone to make noise to tell you the time? Just have it vibrated out in binary. Yeah, kind of like the idea. Been thinking about it for a while and pretty much got it finished up. And, you think I talk to myself a bit when I'm cooking? You ought to hear me when I'm working on computer software, electronics. It's usually kind of, another custom job. Custom all the way till I'm done. And, it's kind of like, they call me the bitch from hell. There's a reason for that. People kept telling me to go to hell, so I tried. I was so much of a bitch that Satan kicked me right back out of hell. So, yeah, if you want to hear me being a bitch all day long, hey, more power to me. And I can absolutely guarantee you're not going to get up my skirt without hearing me bitch. A lot, a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. So, yeah, I hope you're getting the picture. Hopefully all them synthetic cannabinoids and methamphetamines and everything are not so twisting your mind around sideways that you are completely and totally incapable of comprehending reality. Or at least reality as we understand it to be. So, it's like if you want to, really, really, really seriously want to alter your life into the alternate reality of dating me, well, think about, I'm one of them type A personalities. I sleep usually average about 6 hours a day, and quite often not consecutive. It's like I'll catch a couple hours nap here, catch a little cat nap here, a little cat nap there. As long as I get a good 6 hours, you know, 5, 4 I can deal with. Catch up another time, but yeah. So it's kind of like, other than a couple hours here and there, if you're around me, you're gonna be hearing me. Guaranteed, you're gonna be hearing me. There ain't no escaping. So keep that on the top of the point of your pointy little heads, and I don't know. Maybe you'll decide that it's wiser to just look and drool and keep your hands on, you know, and harassing me. All it does is put me in a bad mood. And I think a couple, three of you have realized that putting me in the bad mood is not the best thing you could possibly do with your life or your afterlife. Because, you know, if you are actually saved, and, you know, I kind of can't make much of a judgment call as to whether you actually are or not. You know, that's kind of a personal thing between you and God and Christ and the Holy Spirit, yada yada, yakety sackety, don't talk back. But if you are actually saved and going to heaven, just remember, okay, you got to put up with me here on earth if you want to hang around with me. Going to heaven, hey, I'm going to be there too. I mean, it's like, you're going to have to put up with me here on earth, and you're going to have to put up with me in heaven for all of eternity. Boy, you're going to hear us girls gossiping for all of eternity. Ain't y'all glad you're forgiven?